Description: overnight hair treatment with calming lavender, mint and tea tree restores and repairs as you sleep for healthy, hydrated hair. Benefits: vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free. Suggested use: evenly distribute from scalp to ends on dry or damp hair. In the morning, style as desired. Top reviews from the United States. Recommended by hairstylist. My hairstylist recommended this product to held with split ends. This works and why hair has improved so much. It does not stain the pillowcase or make greasy feeling hair the next day. I highly recommend this product. It lasted 9 months using it every night. Soft and manageable. I absolutely love this product. It leaves my feeling so soft, conditioned and easy to manage. I love the smell.